Students, now we can see exercise 1.2 7th question. What is the question given here? 4 by 5 into open the bracket 125 by 64 plus 75 by 48. Again into 5 by 4 into open the bracket 64 by 125 plus 48 by 75, close the bracket. So this is your question. See here, into. Clear? So anyway you are going to multiply, but inside the bracket what you have? Under addition. That also under addition. So now what you have to do means consider this up to this is step number 1. Clear? Consider from 5 by 4 to that last step number 2. We have to split the quotient and we have to simplify. Then easily you will get the final answer. Now consider up to this as step number 1. Clear? Step number 1 is what? 4 by 5 into 125 by 64 plus 75 by 48. Clear? Usually what we will do? First we have to take inside the bracket and we will simplify. But see here, this is the denominator is biggest denominator. So we can apply the property to simplify this. Clear? It is also possible to simplify by taking LCM, but another method is we can use the distributive property to simplify this question easily. What is the distributive property? A by B into C by D plus E by F. 3 rational numbers are involving of multiplication under addition. Clear? So this is nothing but the distributive property of the left hand side. Then what will be your right hand side? You have to move this A by B inside the bracket. So A by B into C by D plus again A by B into E by F. So this is your distributive property. See here. So this is your left hand side of the distributive property. So you have to write the right hand side for this one. Clear? So left hand side this one, that is right hand side. So instead of left hand side we have to substitute the right hand side here. So what will be your right hand side? You have to move this 4 by 5 inside the bracket. So 4 by 5 into 125 by 64 under addition, again 4 by 5 into 75 by 48. Clear or not clear? Is it clear for you? Okay, next one. Now you have what symbol in between? Multiplication. So you have to check it is possible to cancel. Yes, it is possible. 4 and 64 in what table? 4 table. So 4 is 1 time, 64 is 6 won't come before number 4, 1 times, remainder is 2. 24 is how many times in 4 table? 6 times. So your answer for this is 64. Again 5 and 125, what table we can cancel? 5 table. So 5 is 1 time, 125 is how many times? 25 times. Clear? The similar thing you have to simplify this bracket also. Since you have multiplication, we can able to cancel the numerator and the denominator. Okay, same thing. In 4 table, 4 is 1 time. Here 4 table, 4 is 1 time, 8 is 2 times. In 5 table, 5 1 time. Here 7 won't come before number, 5 is 1 time, remainder 2, 25 is 5 times. So we simplified the 2 brackets. In the next step, we have to simplify and write the answer. 1 into 25 is 25, by 1 into 16 is 16. In between plus symbol. 1 into 15 is 15, by 1 into 12 is 12. Clear? Now we simplify the denominator. Clear? See here, this is 64 into 48, biggest number, we simplified into somewhat smallest number. Now the denominators are 6 and 12. So these two are not same, you have to take LCM for 16 and 12. So take LCM for 16 and 12. You can able to put 12 and 16 also, that is no problem. Okay, in 2 table 12 is 6 times, 16 is 8 times, and again these two are even numbers, so it is divisible by 2. 6 is 3 times and 8 is 4 times. Now this is an odd number, but 4 is an even number, so it is divisible by prime number 2 itself. 3 as it is, 4 is 2 times, again 2 table, 2 1 times, 3 as it is, 3 table, 3 1 times. So we get 1 comma 1. Now multiply the prime factors. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 3s are 48. For the simplified step 1, now the first rational number denominator is 16. In 16th table 48 how many times? After taking LCM you get the answer 48. So in 16th table 48 how many times? If you don't know means you have to divide 48 by 16. If you cancel these two means you will get the answer. as 3. So how many times in 16th table? To get 48 is 3 times. Similarly, in the next ratio number 15 by 12, the denominator is 12. So in 12 table 48 how many times? Again you want to do 48 by 12. If you divide these two means you will get the answer as 4. So both the sides multiply by 4. Now multiply and write, simplify and write the answer here. 5 3s are 15, remainder 1, 2 3s are 6, 6 plus 1 is 7. So 75 by 16 3s are 48. In between plus symbol. Here 5 4s are 20, remainder 2, 1 4s are 4, 4 plus 2 is 60. So 60 by 12 into 4 is 48. So your denominator is now same. So denominator is 48. See, plus symbol means you should add. So 75 plus 60 is what? 135. So 135 by 48. Whether it is possible to cancel? It is not possible to cancel by 2 table because 1 plus 5 is an odd number. Next come to the third table. In 3 table how to check? You have to add and see. 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 is a multiple of 3. So it is divisible by 3. Come to denominator. 4 plus 8 is 12. 12 is also a multiple of 3. So both the numbers will cancel in 3 table. So cancel it by 3 table. 4 won't come before number 3 is 1 time. The remainder is what? 1. 18 how many times? 6 times. So 16 times. Here 13 is not possible. Before number 12 is 4 times. The remainder is 1. 15 how many times? 5 times. So your answer for this is what? 45 by 16. So this is your step number 1 simplified answer. So simplified answer for step number 1 is 45 by 16. Similarly, you have to take this step number 2, the next, the remaining part. Now what is your remaining part? In the question, the remaining part is 5 by 4 into, open the bracket, 64 by 125 plus 48 by 75, close the bracket. So as like first part, we have to simplify the second part also, step number 2 also. Okay, we have to use the distributive property of multiplication under addition, which means a by b into c by d plus again a by d into e by f. Clear or not? Is it clear for you? So 5 by 4 into 64 by 125 under addition, so only plus again 5 by 4 into 48 by 75. So this is your distributive left hand side. For this one we have to write the distributive property of right hand side. Is it clear? Okay, now since you have multiplication symbol, we have to check whether it is possible to cancel. So yes, it is possible. 5 and 125, we can cancel it by 5 table. So 5 is 1 times 125. Here 12 won't come, before number 10 is 2 times, remainder is 2, 25 is 5 times. So in 5 table 5 1 times, 125 is 25 times. Again in 4 and 64, what table we can cancel? 4 table. 4 is 1 time. Here 6 won't come, before number 4 is 1 time, remainder is 2, 24 is 6 times. So 16 times. So 4 1 times and 64 is 16 times in 4 table. Similarly, we have to cancel the next bracket also. Here also 5 1 times, this 75. Since you have multiplication, it is possible to cancel. 5 1 times, 75 is what times? 15 times. Again 4 and 48. What table? 4 table. 4 is 1 time and 4 is 1 time, 8 is 2 times. So we simplified the 2 brackets. Take and write the answer. 1 into 16 is 16 by 1 into 25 is 25. Under addition, 1 into 12 is 12 by 1 into 15 is 15. So this is your simplified answer for this question. Again, these two terms we have to convert into one term by taking LCM because the denominators are not same. So take LCM for 25 and 15. 5 table, both the numbers are odd, which is 5. So we can choose 5 table because 5 is a prime number. 25 is 5 times, 15 is 3 times. Again 5 table, 5 1 times, 3 as it is because it is not divisible by 5. Again 3 into 3 table, 3 is 1 times. Now multiply and see. 5 5s are 25. 25 into 3 is 75. So your LCM answer is 75. Now So the first rational number is what? 16 by 25. So here the denominator is 25. So in 25th table, 75 how many times? 125 is 25, 2 into 25 is 50, 3 into 25 is 75. So both the sides multiply by 3. Similarly here 15. So in 15th table, 75 how many times? 5 times. So both the sides multiply by 5. Okay, now simplify and write the answer here. 6 3s are 18, remainder 1, 1 3s are 3, 3 plus 1 is 4. So 48 by 25 into 3 is 75. In between plus symbol. So 2 5s are 10, remainder 1, 1 5s are 5, 5 plus 1 is 6. So 60 by 15 into 5 is 75. So the denominator is 75 because it is same now. 48 plus 60 is what? 108. So we simplify the step number 2 also. But we can able to simplify these two, numerator and denominator. Clear? How it is possible means since this is 5, it is not divisible by 2. So next prime number is 3. How to check for 3 table? You have to add the digits. 1 plus 0 plus 8 is 9. 7 plus 5 is 12. So 9 and 12 is a multiple of 3. So we can able to cancel in 3 table. So 7 before number 6 is 2 times, the remainder is 1, 15 is 5 times. In 3 table 10 is not possible, before number 9 is 3 times, the remainder is 1, so it become 18, 18 is 6 times. So your simplified answer for this step number 2 is 36 by 25. For the quotient here, this is up to this we simplified step number 1, from that step number 2, and what is the symbol here? Multiplication. So only step number 1 into step number 2 equal to simplify answer for step number 1 is 45 by 16 into step number 2 simplification answer is 36 by 25. So since you have multiplication symbol, if it is possible means we can able to cancel the numerator and the denominator. Whether it is possible or not, it is possible. So 45 is 9 times and 25 is 5 times in what table? 5 table it is possible. Now 16 and 36 we can cancel it by 2 table itself. 16 is 8 times, 36 in 36 3 won't come, before number 2 is 1 time, 16 is 8 times. Again 8 is 4 times, 18 is 9 times. Now 9 and 4 is not possible to cancel. Now write and take and write the simplified answer. 9 by 4 into 9 by 5. So 9 9s are 81 by 4 5s are 20. So these two impossible to cancel. So we have to divide and write. Clear? So divide 81 by 20. So 1 20s are 20, 2 20s are 40, 3 20s are 60. 4 20s are 80. So 81 is not divisible by 20. Only 80 is divisible by 20. So how many times? 4 times. 4 20s are 80. The remainder is 1. So we have to write in the mixed fraction. What is your answer? 4 1 by 20. Start from the quotient. 4 1 by 20. So this is your simplified answer for the given quotient.